going to be the glue for the samosas. Yep.
What is that? Flour.
This is flour.
Flour with hot water.
No, cold water. So you need a tray, big tray, to put all the samosas once you make them. Samosa glue prepared to stick the samosa pads. And you need some samosa fillings ready, cold and ready, with 1 spoon to get the samosa and 1 spoon to make sure the fillings are going in the corners. And you will need, I've got the ready-made samosa pads, which I'm going to cut in 3, so I'll get 90 out of these, and these will be nice and small for the kids.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah. You can also get these samosa pads as small ones that which you can make straight away. Individual samosas get cutting. These are slightly bigger, hence I only get these ones where I can cut and make smaller ones which kids like. And out of these, you can also make spring rolls, which when I make spring rolls, I cut it in half. So I get the smaller bite-sized spring rolls for the kids as well. I've now cut the samosa pad into 3.
Wow. And I'm peeling them.
So I'm going to have 30, 60, 90 samosas all together.
That's too much.
Is it?
No. We won't be able to eat that in 1 day.
It's not one day.
It's supposed to last a whole month.
Yes, it's for Ramadan. So, are we ready?
Yep.
Okay. Yep.
Give me some too.
One person's going to be peeling.
No.
Wait. So, because they dry very quickly, what I'm going to do is start with 1 and put the other 2 away in the fridge until we finish this one, and then bring the other ones out. They peel, we can start making samosas. We start off, so you have your strip there.
Yay. This is
You
fun.
fold it,
I love making sauce.
bring the corner over
Really fun. You get to peel.
like this, yeah? And you
used to
keep
only
a little bit excess, yeah, from the line.
They
And
smell
then you fold
yummy.
another fold over, and you have your triangle. Yeah, but remember, you want to fold it in a way where the corner isn't too big. It's just small, perfectly aligned with this line, and that will make sure that the samosa fillings don't go out. Then you open the cone up and you hold it in your hand like that, okay?
Wait, so,
And then
yay.
the reason why I put 1 spoon down and 1 spoon up is use this spoon to put the filling in.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
That one for squishing it down.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
this
one is to make sure the filling goes to the corner. Otherwise, in the samosas, we'll have the corner empty, and it just wouldn't look nice. And also, when people eat,
They wouldn't
Just-
even taste it.
yeah, there'll be no taste on one corner. Yeah.
You know how the samosa shows it on the packet and the spring roll? How are you going to make it look like that? You're going to put it in the oven.
With the spring roll.
Obviously.
No, how are you going to make the samosa look like that?
So once we do, I'll tell you in a minute. So once we do this up here, we fold it over. See, it still continues to be a triangle until we come to the end. And the end, all we do is the glue that we've made previously. We just go put it on the edges.
What's the glue made out of?
Flour and water. Yep, flour and cold water. Shahan watched me do it earlier.
Yep.
And then you bring the other corner over, and you have your samosa. If there's any bits sticking out, you just put a bit of glue and try to fold it over. So you got your
I'm trying to make
samosa.
Yeah.
Okay, so where you're nearly there, but you just got to make sure this corner comes touching the edge like that, so then you get the triangle. Yeah, if you leave it up there, it's not doing a proper corner, and then when you're folding, it's not going to go. Yeah, so if you just make sure the corner touches the line,
Oh.
Then you go over.
Yeah.
Make sure this corner is
So
perfect
we've got 15.
aligned. Then you got your palm, and then you open up. Yeah, hold it with your left hand, so then you can put the filling with your right hand. Yeah, you have to be gentle when you hold it, otherwise you won't be able to put your samosa in.
Mummy, I'm just making my pile and stuff.
Well done, Shahan. Sahrish, can you come and make your pile neater, please? So you have to make sure you're not letting it close and put enough filling in. Yeah, you have to go all the way. Okay, it's done. So then remember your shape. You have to keep your triangle shape. You haven't put any filling on that corner. See, you just get a little bit and put it on that corner.
That looks fun.
So once you know that both corners are
This is even more fun.
done, now you can fold it over. Yeah.
Reality, this is really fun.
Yeah. Turn it around. Now you can start gluing
But I'll just need to.
and do your corners. Yeah. Hold it in your hand like that, and then get a bit of glue. We have our production line here, unpeeling the samosa pads.
Yeah, but we've finished, so we're just kneading in our piles up.
Samosa making, and we have all the ingredients here. Turn Shahan.
Here.
So you have to fold it over like you've done before. Yeah. Then we're going to put a bit of glue along here to make it easy for you. Yep. Little bit, yep. All the way down. Bit more glue. A bit more glue. Yep, and just this bit. Yep. Now you can fold that over now. Yep. Use both hands. Well done. That's a very good samosa. No, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that.
I like it.
No, you're gonna break the samosa. You don't do that, okay? Okay, it's done now. You can leave it. It's done. Well done. So I'm going to make few to make things quicker and give it to here to glue it, so it'll be a quick process. And then leave few for the kids to do it at the end. Just need to glue each corner. That's a perfect triangle samosa. Well,
It's way more important than this one. Samosa pads aren't so fat to look like that. Wow, that's a lot of samosas so far. I feel like that's 52.
so we've got a full tray now.
Of 79 samosas.
Have you counted them?
1, 2, 3,
Got 79.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And the tray is full.
11,
They can go in the freezer
12,
now.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
And we'll freeze it
21,
for Ramadan
22, 24, 25,
and have it for iftar.
23, 21.
Got some more left. We'll finish these off and then we'll have 90.